With the GDP growth that we are seeing, I'm happy. With the per capita income, I'm not.
I think the acceptance is the first step towards reform. So I think government must first of all accept that there are certain challenges.
Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is all set to deliver her 7th union budget in the monsoon session of Indian Parliament. But before Sitharaman opens that iconic red Bahikhata style pouch with India's emblem on top of it, let's go to India's youngsters and figure out what do they make of India's state of economy right now.
I would say I'm pretty happy with the GDP growth that the country is experiencing. There's definitely something to be done as far as wealth inequality is concerned. I think that poverty, despite government statistics, is still at an all-time high. I think that wealth redistribution needs to take place, even if not in the very direct, but in sort of an indirect senses. But more or less, with the GDP growth that we are seeing, I'm happy. With the per capita income, I'm not.
Happy in the sense I'm not that satisfied with the state of economy because the dividend between the rich and poor is increasing. What this government can do is they can tax the rich properly.
It's a matter of concern that inequality is rising, as we saw the latest inequality lab report that there is a rise of billionaire Raj, and top 1% is holding 40% of national income. So this is a matter of concern as the gap is widening day by day. So this is a matter of concern. Otherwise, it's in good condition in my views.
I think that there are more lacunas that need to be addressed, like the farmers' income, which they promised that they will double by 2022. The healthcare sector, the education sector. In the state of economy, there are more lacunas, like in the area of science and technology. Our yearly budget of ISRO is, I think, nearly 12,500 crore, which is way less than what India is trying to achieve in the field of science and technology.
The numbers are because the economic indicator indicates that it's performing really well. I mean, we are among the top 5 economies, but it's just on the papers. I think it's on nominal GDP, but it does not reflect the ground reality. It's not the per capita income which makes us to the number 5. And there are certain challenges, from students to households. There are many challenges from unemployment to inflation, which needs to be tackled.
I think the tax structure needs to be rationalized in a lot of ways. I think that the middle class is still suffering in a lot of ways, and the budgets do not directly address us, despite it being not only a significant voter base, but also somebody who is the highest taxpayer in the country, because we know, taxes are only being paid by the middle class in a lot of ways. The business class or etc. aren't really paying for it. So yeah, I think tax rationalization and education expenditure, in a lot of ways, direct welfare expenditure would also be a better thing, in my opinion.
A budget should be that it should include all sections of society, not some or 5%, 10% of the population, but it should be an inclusive budget.
I think the acceptance is the first step towards reform. So I think government must first of all accept that there are certain challenges, and only then they can start with reforms.
Message will be that please come prepared for the interviews where one more incident I'm remembering that one of the journalists asked that we have to pay like very मतलब हमें बहुत ज़्यादा टैक्स देना पड़ता है, तो she was not able to answer that. So I think उन्हें तैयारी करके आनी चाहिए जब वो इंटरव्यूज में जाती हैं तो.
My last question to you: do you think that the criticism that Madam Sitharaman is subjected to, is it because she's a woman in a largely male-dominated society, or is it because there are genuine demerits in the way she functions?
No, I don't think that in India it's not that only women politicians are being targeted. So ऐसा नहीं कह सकते कि वो women है इसलिए target हो रही है. Obviously demerits हैं. Overall government को भी criticize किया जाता है किसी ना किसी level पर. तो politicians को इस तरह से funny way में meme के through वो present करना, ये कोई women है इसलिए ऐसा नहीं हो रहा, मुझे नहीं लगता personally ऐसा.